Good morning, everyone. I've got my bag. You guys ready for a trip? First stop, Arizona. What's up, guys? This is Bob. Check this out.
Make that engine in stock. Really.
This place is cool. Look at this. Open fields. It'd be cool to take like a razor and just mop through the fields. One of those buggies.
Oh, okay. There's turkeys.
Turkey. Wow.
Turkeys there.
Because where we are, we're just short of having a guard tower around our house. That's where we're gonna be on Sunday.
Where you're gonna be.
That's cool.
Teak beer place.
Okay, I was giving these instructions and I'm supposed to find my way to my room, but this place is freaking huge. I am so lost. Dude, this place is pretty though. I see. Oh my gosh, I'm so confused. Okay, I think it's this way. This is the ugly muggy I've been watching. Okay, I ended up at another elevator. Oh. Oh. Okay, that's not my living room. I hear people. Oh my god, there's nobody here. Ooh, I think I found my room. Ooh. Yeah, this place is bigger than my freaking... Oh my gosh. Lights on. Bathroom. Okay. Anybody home? Yo, y'all wanna come party? I got a living room and a balcony. I got a view of the... Damn it. The lake's on the other side. In this area, behind door number 1 is baño. Okay. Lights. Where are you? Lights. Restroom sounds and looks good. Okay. I can appreciate this. Master bedroom. Lights. Ooh, ceiling fan. This is creepy. Look, no door handle. Where you keep your slaves. I am here. Here's the balcony I was showing you guys earlier. The mirror of this place feels weird. Behind this is a TV! You guys are probably wondering, what the heck am I doing out in Wisconsin? I don't know why I'm saying it like that. Road America, there's a nice race. Pennzoil flew me out. This is a very big place, thank you guys. I did not need a place this big, I just needed a bed. Are you guys down to explore for a bit? There's nothing else to do. I'm hungry though. Let's look around, maybe I'll find some food. Whirlpool. Okay. I'm trying to get over to here, vending, like front deck. My fear is getting out there and can't get back in. Damn, it's quiet. Holy crap, this place is nice. Look at, why couldn't I have a view like this? Man, I'm facing the parking lot. Oh my goodness, this place is so pretty. I'm all by myself. So it looks like there's a pond right over there, and right behind you guys is a lake. We'll wander down that way. Yo, you know what I just realized right now? Oh hell no. Oh come on. Guys, I entered from that building. They made me walk in a big ass circle to get to this building when I could have just cut across the lawn, which has walkway. Oh hell no. They played me. Joy, oi. Let's go explore. This is cool. We've got people playing volleyball. We got nice old big old trees we don't see in California too often anymore. Little gazebo with the band. People having a picnic. I'm gonna tell the truth. I don't know if I'm allowed over here. I don't know if I'm allowed over here, but I'm gonna go anyway. Ooh. I don't know if I'm allowed over here, but I'm gonna go anyways. Wow, this would freaking be a nice Instagram picture. Holy crap. Wow, guys, this is so freaking nice. Look at this. Got people over there on the shore. Man, look, you've got the dock down here. Got a little boat. A little bit of sand for the kids. A little swimming area. Got a little spot to stay up there. Man, you know the weather is really nice too. It's like 75 degrees. Wow. Look at these trees and music. Okay. What's over here? Let's wander. Let's wander. Let's keep looking around. Oh, private deck. Another private deck. Can't go here. Restricted. See about that. I'm just kidding. Respect. That is cool. Wow, this place. I keep saying the word wow, but wow. This would be a cool place to kind of vacation. Have a family reunion. Look at this. Okay, let's get up these stairs. See what else we can explore. Oh, let's go check out that pond. There is a pond like right over here. Look at this. It's really nice. Beautiful pond. Oh wait, you can go all the way down. Should we go down? Boop, boop. Oh look, you can see a fish. Oh, that's cool. Hello, fish. Hello, fish. Okay, let's teleport somewhere inside. Ready? Sorry, I had to show you guys this one more time. Look at that. The sand. Smells good. Okay, let's go inside. Ooh, okay, sorry, I'm still walking. This place is quite large. But you know, I was just observing. This place feels like a little too perfect. It's not a bad thing, I'm not complaining. It just feels very calm and peaceful. The weather's freaking awesome. Okay, let's go back inside. I made it inside. This place is wild. What's up these stairs? Let's go take a look. So many. There's so many things. Okay, no. Ooh, food. Lakefront. Okay, did that. Okay, saw that. Ooh, arcade. Fitness. Okay, I need to do fitness. It's down that way. Ballroom, not gonna do. No, cooking school. Well, let's just see. I'm in an even bigger space now. Okay, let's go find something else. Look what I found. Let's see what else I can find. Found a pool table. Basketball. Great. Okay, let's go look for something else. I found the gym. I like this. Oh, they even have a squat rack. I guess it's a Smith, but it'll do. Let me show you guys how to work out. Make sure you grab the weight real strong like this. You go like this. Yep, that's how you work out biceps. Gives you a big old bicep. Let's go find something else. Ready? It's too hot in here. It is very nice, but it's very, very hot. Oh my gosh, let's get out of here. It's so warm. Okay, I'm back in the hallway. Hey look, a business center. I'm a businessman. I can do business stuff in a business center. I'm a very important businessman doing business stuff. I think someone just heard me. Okay, where to, guys? I don't know. That's very pretty. What's up these stairs? Oh, there's a bar. Hello, bar. Ooh la la, this view is pretty. Okay. Hey, I can study because I'm Asian. I study. So that's smart. And I'm back where I started when I was really, really lost. Okay, would you consider that urban exploration? Okay, look at that. Even a stream. Cool. Teleport you to another place. Bam! Let's do our 1 minute segment. And let's talk about what this trip really means to me. And this kind of gets a little bit more in depth with my life. So let's just quickly talk about it. Ready? 1 minute starting now. This trip and what it means to me is, yes, all my Instagram posts. And this means a lot to me. It's beyond a check. It's beyond a relationship building with a company. It's beyond just being here for the videos. When I was a kid, I didn't get to travel often. And if we did, it was just super local, super rare. Even as a teenager, we didn't travel much with friends because we just couldn't afford it. So whenever we did do anything, it was during like a school function or anything like that. Even as I got older, I didn't travel very much. And to this day, I don't. Now, when I do get to travel, it's for business. And it's humbling to me because it's something that another person or a company believes in me enough to take me here. And my word of advice for you guys is you never know where life can take you. As long as you're a good person, you're humble, and you work really freaking hard, someone will believe in you out there. Because I can tell you that I'm not the biggest YouTuber and my social numbers don't even show it anymore. And this is beyond 1 minute now, but I wanted to put this last point to you guys. I'm not a big YouTuber. My social numbers aren't great like other guys that you guys currently watch. But the relationship I have with these companies go beyond that because they've seen my work and dedication throughout the years. Hence why they call me back still. So for you guys that are looking for sponsorships, remember that point. Be really good, be a good human being, and don't just try to take advantage of people. But that's all I gotta say. That was like 1 minute and 30 seconds. Sorry. Okay. All right. let's finish up the day. All right, guys, I'm gonna say goodnight here with you guys. Tomorrow we have just an exploration day again, and then dinner with the team. Rob Dom should be showing up. In the meantime, I'm just gonna have a quick bite and head to bed and work, and then head to bed. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Love you guys.